A new quest is available. In this quest, we will see how to add movie sprites to a Rempi project. First, I will install FFmpeg to convert the images to video format. I will show you how to install FFmpeg for Ubuntu and for Windows.
Starts now.
To install the FFmpeg software on Ubuntu, open a terminal. Then write sudo apt update before installing the software. The second command line to enter for the installation is sudo apt install FFmpeg. Once this is done, check the correct installation with the command line FFmpeg-version.
Let's see together how to install FFmpeg on Windows. Go to the official website ffmpeg.org. Click on the download button, choose the Windows version and download the full version. You will need archive file software to extract FFmpeg. If you don't have one, you can download one online like 7-Zip for example, which is free. Once the software is downloaded, extract its contents to the root of the disk. Then copy the path to the FFmpeg bin folder and open the Windows environment variables. Click on the environment variables button and then in path in the user variables to add the path to the FFmpeg software. To verify the correct installation of FFmpeg, open a command prompt and enter this command line, ffmpeg-version.
Let's go, team.
Let's see how to convert images to movie sprites format. First, copy the path to your project resources. Then open a command prompt and enter the following command line, cd followed by the path to your project resources. This step and the following steps are the same if you are using Linux or Windows. Once you have specified the path to your resources in the command prompt, you can use FFmpeg to convert the images. The first command line will convert all images into a video format. Frame rate is the number of frames to be displayed per second. The second command line is used to create the alpha mask, allowing the transparency of sprites without a background in the Rempi software. The number of frames must be identical for both command lines. As you can see, I now have the files. The video that represents the movie sprite and the alpha mask so that it is transparent. I will perform the same step for the other resources to be converted by adapting the name of the resources and the number of frames per second.
Fascinating.
In this example, I have an animation that I exported from Blender. We will see together in the next tutorials how to export an animation. Each image in this example has 4 digits, so I will write % for D.
Let's go to the next step. For this step, I will copy the video files and their alpha masks into the Ren'Py project. And that's it. The files are copied and ready to be used.
It's time to use the movie sprite. To do this, open the script file for your Ren'Py project. This line of code will display for each movie sprite the animation to display and repeat it in loop or not.
We are almost at the end of this quest.
At last.
Let's see how to use movie sprites in a Ren'Py project. For this step, I will create a menu and use the variables to display the different movie sprites. I will create a variable that I will name choice_mode. Then I will create a menu. Be careful to indent the code, otherwise Ren'Py might display an error. I will then set up a condition. If the variable has the value 1, I will display the movie sprites present in the folder named D. To display a movie sprite, I write the instruction show followed by the name of the movie sprite. I will also write another condition if the value of the variable is different in order to display the last animation. Finally, I will write a condition that will return to the main menu if the value of the variable is not validated in the first two conditions.
It's time to test our visual novel.
Let's go.
Yes, I'm ready.
What? I'm mistaken.
Don't panic. It's just the second condition that must have a small error. Let's see it together.
Sorry, I forgot to write equals as it is a condition.
Well, the problem should be solved.
Well done. Everything works.
Thank you for following this quest with us. See you soon.
Congratulations.
Bye-bye.